If you guys are able to apply these same brand concepts to your product, website, and ad, just like Hey Silky Skin, you'll definitely see a similar type of success. Make sure you guys subscribe. I come out with videos every Monday about step-by-step how to get into Shopify dropshipping, especially in 2021 and on. Branding is the only way you can be successful with it. So I break that down in all of my videos, and a lot of YouTubers out there simply do not do that. So make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe down below, and let's get straight into the video. Hey Silky Skin is a 8-figure brand by now, and today we're going to discuss what essential dropshipping and brand principles that they are able to apply to their brand and become successful. Starting off, just like any brand out there, you want to have a product. However, there are 4 different criteria that you guys want to meet when you're choosing your product. The laser hair remover epilator device has a wow factor, an actual need and demand, wide market, and limited availability. In this video, you can see that these women using this simple device that uses laser technology is somehow removing unwanted hair on any part of their body. This is the wow factor for this product, and it's really the overall effect that it has, or immediate effect that it has on somebody's body. The next thing is the need for the product, or the demand. Women in particular get hair in unwanted places, whether that's on the face, lips, or legs, and there is no easy solution to keep it away, let alone shaving it all off can be tough. What this epilator does is it eliminates the hair follicles, I believe, and the hair simply doesn't grow back, or doesn't grow back as good as it used to. And not only is this something that women should want, it's enough of a necessity to develop a market. With any product, you want to have a wide market, or enough people who would need or want to buy it for it to stand out and have customers. Obviously, here most women shave or have unwanted hair, so the market is extremely large. The cool thing about this epilator is that it's not widely available. You can't just go to a Walmart or Target or dollar store and find something that's similar to it. And there's just not something similar out there that's effective to get the desired result showed in this video. And this is what entices people to buy or have a limited availability mindset when they're deciding whether or not to purchase your product. One thing that not a lot of people talk about in the guru community is product brandability. If you look at a product, you need to ask yourself if you could see it in a one product store. Dumb trendy products like fidget spinners or random phone cases really aren't something that you could build a solid brand behind, but choosing a product that has a premium feel, look, and quality with what's portrayed through the ad and the website is something that is very underrated and can skyrocket your business. Examples of awesome original one product stores are Galaxy Lamps, BlendJet, Hey Silky Skin obviously, and then also Rose Co. or Rose Skin Co. There's other brands out there that are similar to it that have seen similar success. And the next thing is we're going to look at their ads. By the way, you guys can find a lot of these killer products by seeing what's selling on Facebook, AliExpress, or How I Found Mine, through YouTubers making videos on good products to sell. And a lot of you are probably thinking, well, why would I start a product that somebody is already talking about on YouTube? And the thing is that 99% of people simply do not even start these products, or they don't do a good job of it. They don't really have a good guidance for it, and they don't put in the effort to create the store, find the product, do the research. But there are a handful of products that I've seen that have done well, and more than likely you won't have that many competitors. But going back to their ads, there seemed to be a common theme in the intro, having an eye-catching first 3 seconds, which is essentially what you want to have in any of your ads. They show the woman using the epilator on her leg or arm to remove the hair while it's flashing. I think this really catches a common viewer's eye because it shows a common problem that most women have, which is getting rid of unwanted leg hair. Not only this, the device that they are using in the video is something most people probably haven't seen before, so it shows a wow factor right away. Another concept that I think is very underrated that they use in their ads is the testimonial method. It seems like most of the ads that they run now are people that have received the product and are doing a satisfied review of the epilator, which triggers an automatic brand trust when a customer sees the video ad, and then overall increases your conversion rate. I think when you get into the scaling phase, it's important to start sending your product out to customers or asking for video reviews. This will extremely help you with your retargeting and then also your brand awareness and trust. As you can see on their product, they have the logo, and in the beginning it's fine if you don't. Most suppliers are agents, have a certain minimum order quantity that you need to meet in order to have your logo put on the product. But once you find a winning product, you definitely want to invest some money into the product quality, the logo. Another thing I'd like to mention is that you can see how the product colors, ads, and website all sort of match up. And I mentioned this in almost every single one of my videos, and it's about the brandability of this product and how everything is sort of congruent. You don't see any crazy reds, spammy colors, flashy buttons. Everything that's part of the website, the colors, the product, the ad, it's all one. And this is another central part to having a brand. It's the association of the colors, obviously, and the logo the customer see automatically makes the customer think, oh, well, I know this brand, or I've seen it before, or whenever I think of this product, I automatically associate with this brand. And this increases your conversion rate and is extremely effective if you have a run product store. Next thing we're going to talk about is their website, but one thing I want to say right away is that this product is selling for $140. And this is considered a high ticket product. These types of products produce a high average order value, or AOV, and this can increase your profitability a ton depending on what you get the product for. You can see if I go to AliExpress and get these epilators for $30 to $40. However, if you're ordering these in bulk from a supplier, which they probably are, they probably get them for around $20 off the large number of orders that they get. And then at least a 7x return, obviously, which is pretty crazy. And their profitability, their average order value is probably higher than $140, because you're going to have people out there that order more than one unit, and that's over time going to increase that average order value. But by no means should you be trying to find a crazy product with those types of margins in the beginning. At the start, I'd say stay above a 3x margin. This will increase your profitability when it comes to the product costs and the ad costs. In my opinion, in this day and age, you should be selling products for $50 and up. This is due to the rising ad costs and just the fact that you want to increase your profitability as much as possible down the road. And when we go on their website, you can see that their website's very simple. And I think over the years, it's gotten even more simple, because I remember looking at their site maybe 2 years ago and it was a little bit more complicated. But everything is so simple and laid out with the text, images, and infographics. And their product description is very straight to the point, because their product video already explains a lot about the product. And most of the time, your customers will already have decided whether or not they're going to purchase your product when they land on your website after they watch your video. Branding with minimalism nowadays is very essential, and no one likes spammy pop-ups, buttons, colors, or products. You want to have a buying process that is also straight to the point as well, and with no distractions, and they killed it on that part when it comes to adding the cart and the checkout. You can see that they have tons of reviews with people using the product, and even on their homepage. You can see that this product has tons of reviews, and they show that on the website, on the homepage, on the product page, and it really shows you how much marketing your product matters. And one cool thing that I like about the reviews is that a majority of them seem to be professionally done, or done with some sort of Instagram influencer, which can boost your brand trust and conversion rate as well. Something that you guys should be applying to your store too is some sort of money back guarantee, and whether that's a month or 3-month guarantee. Hey Silky Skin does it for 9 months. Obviously you shouldn't do that at the beginning, but just so the customer has a sort of confidence in purchasing your product. And like I mentioned, even their add to cart and checkout is very simple. You can see that they apply a scarcity effect by saying, oh, your checkout lasts for so long, or that they're almost sold out. You should always want to have free shipping, so what I normally do is just add the shipping costs to your product price. Other than that, Hey Silky Skin is a pretty crazy brand, and everything about their store, the product, and their ads are very simple, and I've noticed they're only like 10 to 15 seconds long. But overall, their brand is pretty insane, and I really want to see where they go in the next couple of years. But if you guys have any questions on this brand, or what types of videos that you want me to do, just let me know down below in the comment section. But make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.